Here we have a Rong Fu RF-31 milling and drilling machine. This has power down feed on it, and we're going to show you that it does operate. Put in reverse. Of course, power down feed won't work that way. So there's your manual. Shut the machine off. Going forward. I'll gauge the power down feed. As the down feed goes all the way down, it'll come back up again. Alright, checked all the speeds on here. They all operate very nicely. Lift off. Real high speed. So it appears all the functions operate very nicely. Get your cross feed, longitudinal feed, all operates nicely. It includes a vise, your owner's and parts manual, and it also includes a 52-piece deluxe steel clamping kit. Now there's a little bit of surface rust on the table on some of the unpainted surfaces right here, as you can see. That's from storage, and then you got a little bit of surface rust on the column here. But overall, it's in really good condition. It is running. 1.5 horsepower, pre-wired 230 volt. And we thank you for looking at our product.